told me truth was written in a book of ancient fear, but the mountains never trembled when I whispered doubts to hear. The sky didn't strike me down, the forest didn't turn away. It just held me in its silence like a child who lost his way. Nature is the only truth I trust, the only voice that doesn't rust. It doesn't threaten, doesn't preach, just speaks in ways I cannot teach. Nature is the only truth I trust, the only voice that doesn't rust. You said the world was fallen, said salvation was the key, but the river never asked me to confess my misery. It just carried all my shadows to a place where they could fade, and the truth inside that current is the truth that I obey. Nature is the only truth I trust, the only voice that doesn't rust. It doesn't threaten, doesn't preach, just speaks in ways I cannot teach. Nature is the only truth I trust, the only voice that doesn't rust. No commandments carved in stone, just the truth of being alone. No commandments carved in stone, just the truth of being alone. Nature is the only truth I trust, the only voice that doesn't rust. It holds me like a brother, not a judge above, and that's the truth I love. Nature is the only truth I trust, the only voice that doesn't rust. Just the truth of being alone. No commandments carved in stone, just the truth of being alone. Nature is the only truth I trust, the only voice that doesn't rust. It holds me like a brother, not a judge above, and that's the truth I love. Nature is the only truth I trust, the only voice that doesn't rust.